In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete apps here on a MacBook Air M3. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your Finder. You can also go to apps, but I personally prefer Finder. So go ahead and go on your dock, select Finder or hit Command Space and then search for Finder on here and open it up. And once you have Finder opened up, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is just look on this left-hand sidebar right here, find the little applications option right here. And this is going to show you every single app currently installed here on your Mac. Now, let's say I want to delete an app. Let's say, we'll do Roblox, for example. Where's Roblox on here? There it is. Essentially, select that app, and then what you're going to want to do is, obviously, if you two-click on here, you're not going to see any delete button. Essentially, either go ahead and two-click on it, or hit Move to Trash, or just hit Command and then delete on it, and it's going to immediately remove it. You may get a message saying Finder wants to move an app to the bin, so keep that in mind. If that does pop up for you, confirm it. I'm actually going to undo this real quick since I'm not trying to delete Roblox. But after you do delete whatever app you're trying to remove, go down to your trash bin down in the bottom right. Just right click on it and then hit empty trash and you'll be good to go. That is the easiest way to remove apps here on a MacBook Air M3. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.